Oh yeah, it's a big one. Beautiful out today. Hopefully we don't just walk up into like a village of homeless people. Looks like a lot of foot traffic. Must be a good fishing spot. All right guys, we made it to the fishing spot. Earlier, I went out by myself and tried to catch some bluegill for bait. Well, I caught one and it was too small. So Heidi went to the bait shop and picked up some skipjack. So we're gonna throw some pieces of skipjack on and see if we can't catch some kitty cats. Stay tuned. All right guys, there's the first chunk of bait. The skipjack head. We're gonna bomb that out as far as we can. Got all the poles out. Now we just wait for the magic to happen. A fish messing with this rod. Looks like he picked it up and he's swimming around with it. Kind of acting like a gar, but could be a big lazy flathead. I think I'm gonna go for it. Oh, we got it. Oh, we're hooked up. Got one, babe. Yep, I think it's a big gar. Oh yeah, that's a big gar. Holy cow. That is a big gar. Let's land this fish. Yep, that's a PB. That's a new PB gar. Check that out, guys. That is a big, looks like a long-nosed gar. Not sure exactly how heavy he is. I'm guessing he's probably right around five pounds. Pretty big gar. He's feisty. I don't typically let these fish go because they're super invasive to the Missouri River. So I'm just gonna leave them up here on the bank. But what a cool fish. I don't like him. Most cat fishermen don't, because they usually just chew up your bait or just bug you. But yeah, new PB. Oh shit. That's on the big bait. Get the light, babe. Get the light. This is a big head chunk. Please don't be a gar. Oh, I got it. It's a big fish. It's a big fish. Feels big anyway. Oh yeah, big head shakes. That's a good fish. Good solid fish. Oh yeah, this is a big boy, babe. This is a big boy. Big old lazy fish. See, it's wrapped up in that line. You want to reel right now? That's okay. Oh yeah, big flatty. Big flatty. I was just Just saying. Oh yeah. Just saying how you can catch flatheads with cut bait. Oh yeah, he's a good one. He's a good one. Yes, sir. Yep. That's what I'm talking about. I've been waiting for this fish all year. Yes. I'm shaking right now. He was hooked perfectly in the side of the mouth. He wasn't going anywhere. Oh, come on. There it is. Well, I've waited all year for this. Hold on. This is a stud right here. He's probably pushing 30, 35 pounds. That's a good looking flathead catfish there. Looks like a female. Oh yeah, beautiful fish. Ate the skipjack head. Shout out Wood Sporting Goods for hooking me up with some awesome bait. Shout out to my girlfriend for picking up the bait today. Heck yeah, look at that. Awesome fish. We're gonna get some pictures and let this fish go. Heck yeah. Boom! All right, let's go ahead and get a release on this fish. There she goes. What's going on, guys? Welcome back. We're out here again today at the river. Last night I caught 35 pound flathead catfish. Today we're gonna try to do the same thing. I'll show you guys what I got set up right now. So I got this pole. It's a Cat Daddy from Berkeley, from Lew's. I bought that one at Walmart a couple days ago. We're gonna be using that pole. I got my Battle Cat. I gotta run some line and get that one set up. That's gonna be for the big baits. It's gonna be the home run rod. And I got my Silver Cat rod right here. And down there, I have my beef stick from Ugly Stick. I have some skipjack left over from last night. And I also have some night crawlers and some goldfish, just dead goldfish that I got from the bait shop. They already came frozen, so we're gonna be running with that today. But yeah, stay tuned and let's see if we can't hook up with hopefully a blue cat or a flathead. Today I'm really wanting to get a blue cat. I haven't caught one all year. It'd just be super cool to get one, so stay tuned and let's see what happens. Skipjack. There we go. Let's throw that on out there. It's fairly deep out there. Looking at probably 15, maybe 20 foot deep. It's pretty deep. Deep enough to hold a big catfish. I'm gonna throw it out over this way. This looks like a pretty good spot over here too, guys, so I'm gonna cast over by those trees. about 10 foot deep over there. Oh yeah, looks like a really good spot. Perfect for flatheads. We're hooked up here, guys. It feels like a good fish. Oh yeah, good head shakes. This might be another flathead. On the new pole too. What do we got? I'm guessing it's a flathead. Oh. Oh yeah, it's a big one. Let's see if this $25 catfish combo from Walmart can catch a flathead. Oh yeah, he's a big boy. He does not want to come up either. Come on, buddy. Come on, buddy. Just want to see you. Oh yeah, nice flathead. Nice flathead. Oh my God, I can't believe it. Come on, buddy. Come on, buddy. Ooh. I think they only put, this might be 20-pound test. It might only be 12-pound test. I'm not sure what they put on these poles. This fish is every bit of 25 to 30 pounds. Oh, buddy. I've been waiting all year to catch flatheads. Everybody else has been catching flatheads. 402 Outdoors, river certified. Pig Patrol. He's been having a really good year. Look at that fish, guys. Look at that freaking hoss. Look at that hoss. Come here, buddy. Come here, buddy. There we go. Let's go, boys. Let's freaking go. Oh, that's another nice catfish. We're gonna weigh this one. I didn't weigh the one last night, but we're gonna go ahead and weigh this one. That's a nice fish. Yes. Oh, I just gotta get up over here. That's a nice catfish. Let's go, boys. Let's go. Look at that freaking beautiful pattern. He got speckled black, kind of a greenish yellow. Beautiful fish. We're gonna get a weight on this fish. I didn't buy the scale for no reason. Okay. Zeroed out. What do we got? Looking at 28 pounds. 28 pounds, almost 30. Beautiful fish. Look at that, guys. 30 pound, damn near 30 pound flathead. Ate a cut up piece of goldfish. What a freaking beauty. We're gonna go ahead and get a release on this guy. Without falling into the river, hopefully. There she goes. He, she, it. See you later. Man, what an epic battle. On that $25 Walmart special. Man, what an epic fight. Whew. Oh, I'm shaking right now, guys. I even called it out. I said, that looks like a perfect spot for a flathead. And guess what? We freaking got him. This is all I had on. Just a small hook. This is like a 4-aught hook with a piece of goldfish. Just a couple beads. I think this is a 20-pound leader line, maybe 25. Carolina rig to a 2-ounce lead bank sinker. And this pole right here, go get yourself a pole like this, guys. I'm not gonna say it's, you know, super nice, but hey, it caught a 30-pound flathead. Let's go ahead and unravel my line real quick, and let's throw it a little bit deeper into that brush pile. You guys, I've been waiting all year to catch flatheads. All right, well, that's gonna do it for this video. Had an awesome time, caught 2 decent flatheads. I've been waiting all year to catch those fish. I did catch 1 other gar, but nothing too crazy. Hopefully, before the year's done, maybe I can catch a big blue cat, but if not, I'm happy with what I've caught this year. I'll be doing some ice fishing this winter. Maybe we'll do some catfishing through the ice, I don't know. But next week I'm going on vacation. If you enjoyed the video, please make sure to drop a like. And if you haven't, make sure to subscribe. And I'll see you in the next video. Thank you guys for watching.